welcome to Sherry's World. I have a bunch of apples that got donated to me, and I am going to try to make 2 recipes from them. And the first recipe is really easy, but it takes a while to make them, and it's apple cider. Tons of apples. So this will be a 2-part video, so I hope you enjoy. Okay, first I'm going to take 10.5 large apples and quarter them. Don't have to worry about taking any of the solids out because they're going to be crushed anyways. So, pretty simple. It's a breath of fresh air that you don't have to peel these and cut them down, especially after doing the apple crisp that I did. Now I'm going to put 3/4 cup of sugar. And a tablespoon of cinnamon and a tablespoon of allspice. With at least 2 inches of water. It should almost go to the top, but not exactly. So I can show you. Kind of see where it is. I'm going to bring this to a boil for about an hour. Let's boil for about an hour, and they're very soft and can already be squeezed a little bit. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the temperature down to simmer for a couple hours, and I'll see you on the flip side. What a nice late winter feel. Apple cider, spicy and sweet, just filling the air. I should say product, not project. It kind of has some lumps in it because I didn't have the mesh, but it's still pretty liquidy. I put a little bit more water in it because I thought it was a